Hi friends, today our topic is past tense. There are four types of tense: simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. In simple past, the verb is only the past form of this one, like this play is becoming played, write is becoming wrote, played. Then past continuous, to be plus verb plus ing. So what the meaning of to be here? If we think about the past, then to be is becoming with was or were. Whatever your verb is concerned with your subject. Past perfect then means had plus pp. If we previously studied that okay, present perfect then have and has plus pp, but now it becoming had here because you are past perfect. Then past perfect continuous, had plus been plus verb plus ing. Now I'll give the more examples for the simple past. First is that the action completed in past. If we think about the simple past tense, the action completed in past. Either we say it indicating a past action. Simple past must be with the past action. It completing the past. Either we think about the so many years it will done by. For example, she left for the USA last year. That left is a simple past form. I remember the thing is that if the verb is with the only simple past verb, then she left for USA last year. This left is a past form, simple past form. Now we think about past continuous. First is that if the past continuous, the action going on in the past. Continuous matlably it will be going on there, but it will starting in past. Either way we can say the thing is that in past. Action going on in past is called past continuous tense. For examples, we were playing when mother calls up. Were playing, हम लोग खेल रहे थे जब मम्मी ने बुलाया तब. उसका मतलब है were playing is indicating that the action is in past continuous. Then the third one we discussing that past perfect and actions that had completed before another action is beginning past. When we there is the two types of action. The first is both are completing, both are in past, but in this both which one is a more first, which one is the first is contained with had plus pp. Then we had left the house before flood. This thing that we had left the house, had left मतलब रिवर के अंदर फ्लड आया तो वो भी पास्ट टेंस की बात है, लेकिन उससे पहले हम घर छोड़ चुके थे. दैट इज वी हैड लेफ्ट. मतलब जो फर्स्ट वर्ब है, एक तो फ्लड आना और दूसरी बात है हमने घर छोड़ना. तो फ्लड आने से पहले घर छोड़ा था, मतलब घर छोड़ना इज द फर्स्ट एक्शन, इज ऑलवेज विद द हैड प्लस पीपी. एंड इफ द सेकंड एक्शन देन इट विद द सिंपल पास्ट. It not there in example, but we discussing that past perfect is like that. Then the fourth is that past perfect continuous tense. Then उसका verb formula मैंने दिखाया है कि had plus been plus verb plus ing. Then action that begins in past and continuity for certain time in a past. It action starting past में हुई, बहुत लंबे समय तक चली और complete भी past में हुई. That is called past perfect continuous tense. If there is, we have to make negative for this. Then I played, I, we, you, he, she, they, all with the ed form. If in simple past, then all with the simple past form this. But if you want to make a negative for this one, then I did not played का भी play हो जाएगा. यहाँ में भी did not लगेगा. Did not played का play होता है. अगर एक बार did आ गया तो उसको ed नहीं लगाते. I will give some more examples in simple past tense for question and negative. The first is my sentence that Rupal taught English well. If I want to make negative this one, then I think that taught, then it must be simple past. Then Rupal did not. Now if I wrote did not for this one, then you can't put it wrote here. The original verb form is write English well. For this I give questions. How can I make it this? Did is first that. Did Rupal not becoming right? Right English well. Question tag. I give the more example for this year. Children played cricket in last vacation. Then negative became like that. Children did not. Played is becoming now play. If I put it did here, did is also be a past tense. Then play cricket in last vacation. Then I want make question for this year. Did children play cricket in last vacation? Question mark I am with this. When. Then I say when I make negative for this, first I remember spoke is my verb. It is in simple past tense. Then I make it like that. My father did not. Now spoke becomes speak. If I put it did here, then spoke becomes speak. The original form is making here speak Gujarati well. Question for this. Did your father speak Gujarati well? Mona sang bhajans last week. Sang is my form, is simple past. Then I am making negative here. Mona did not. Sang becoming now sing. Sing bhajans last week. My question for this. Did Mona sing bhajans last week? Now we are discussing about some more verb form fill-ups. These are called the verb form fill-ups. Verb forms fill-ups. That they are like that. First, she dashed all the bananas yesterday. Yesterday is thinking that the simple past. Then she ate all the bananas yesterday. Second one, Radha dashed softly during the meeting. So during the meeting is consisting that one कि Radha spoke softly during the meeting. The school dashed us for a picnic last week. Last week containing that the action is in past. Then the take must be coming that took. The school took because simple past form of the take is took. The movie dashed at 6 p.m. Start. तो started. 6 बजे मूवी शुरू हो चुका था. लास्ट यस्टरडे की बात है, मतलब अभी हो तो एक्शन बिफोर टाइम हो चुका है.